Lord Aymar, choose among 3 barons which you value most and answer first. And after you let Perdigon answer, 1 is generous and gay and boastful. The 2nd is upright and a good landowner, and somewhat generous, but not with such appearance. The 3rd is good for conduct and for lance, and well equipped, which has the better qualities. Oh! And Raimbaut, I say that he is most worthy, who does all his deeds in full with measure, and his worth has long been excellent, and he can be superior to enemies. If he is upright, courteous, and pleasing, then he is worth more, in my opinion, than the other 2, for they have so much failing that none of them is his equal in worth. None his equal. None his equal. Barons, I know that I will conquer you both, for I maintain that in which I am more boastful, with boasting, which is the head with expenditure of prowess and more truthful worth. And let my lord have land and money, since prowess does not please him nor advance him. And Raimbaut maintains those of France, whose arms and life are all his companions. Perdigon, he is greatly improved, who holds his own and strangers gently, and is feared more with 100 companions than if another had 2,000 of them. And boasting is nothing but a light heart and foolish empty worth, which balances with none power. And a rich miser cannot have honor with small gifts for lying pleasures. And Raimbaut, your lord is fierce and proud because he is a good knight. Therefore your reasoning is not worth so much, for he puts little or nothing except in bowls. And Perdigon takes like a greedy juggler, who places all his hope in taking wealth. And mine is gay and of beautiful appearance, even if he does not want the worth of the blind or the miserly. I see that my lord is annoyed by the debates, for he always maintains his petty deeds, and wants to cast down prowess and good worth, simply because he knows nothing of it, nor is accustomed to it. And Raimbaut maintains the full bodies, who puts all his trust in eating well. But if the marquis were of such appearance to him, he would still be a juggler or a squire. Discord or a dance, who imitates Estornel with his lance. To my lord such complete worth befits, as the kingdom of France does to me. And Raimbaut, when he rushes forth with arms, seems much more